In recent studies, researchers have highlighted the profound effects of nature on mental health. For instance, individuals who spent just 20 minutes outdoors in a natural setting reported lower levels of stress and anxiety. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature stimulate the brain positively, leading to increased feelings of happiness and emotional resilience. One striking example is Japan's practice of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, which involves immersing oneself in the forest environment. Those who participate often experience improved mood and cognitive function. Thus, integrating time in nature into daily routines might serve as a natural remedy for mental health challenges.